here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make this super soft Bengali traditional kachagulla, and you can see the texture. So let's get started. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon for regular updates of my channel. So here I have taken chena or paneer of half liter milk. Now if you want to see that how I have made this, please watch the recipe of rasgulla. I'll drop the link in the description box. Please go ahead and check it. So you can see I have taken the half portion of the chena or paneer. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of sugar, so I'll need it for the next 4 to 5 minutes or until it's well combined and the sugar is dissolved. So there should not be any lump or anything. It should be super smooth. You can see I'm kneading it. Now after 4 minutes, you can see this is all combined and the sugar has also dissolved into the chena or paneer. So now this is ready. Next I have switched on the flame and now I'm adding it into the hot skillet. You can see I haven't added any ghee or any butter, nothing is added. So now I'm gonna cook it on low flame for the next 5 to 6 minutes. So I'll add gradually 2 to 3 tablespoons of homemade condensed milk. I have made this condensed milk with only 2 ingredients, so please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the recipe of condensed milk. So now I'm gonna cook it and I'll continuously stir it up for the next 5 to 6 minutes. I know it's boring, please guys don't skip it because I'm going to show you that I have added some ingredients, so you don't want to miss that, right? So please keep on watching. Flame will be on low throughout the recipe. Now you can see I'm adding the condensed milk gradually. Don't add the condensed milk at a time. So now after 5 minutes, you can see it's becoming a dough kind of texture. So our mixture is ready. Now I'm adding the rest of the chena into it. Now this part is very vital. We have to knead it with the chena, with the raw chena, and they should be well combined. So that will take around 8 to 10 minutes, but don't worry, be very gentle and be very soft and just combine them together into a very smooth dough. Now it's been 7 minutes and you can see dough is ready. Now I'll divide it into 4 equal portions. And I have taken one portion and I'm trying to give the shape of a kachagulla, that is a round shape, and the base of our kachagulla is ready. Now I'll coat it with some milk powder. Traditionally it is coated with the mawa, but I'm making instant kachagulla, so that is why I'm using the milk powder. And let me cut it. See, the inside is super juicy, soft, and melt in mouth moment is just awaiting for you. Please do try it at your kitchen. Let me know how it turns up in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.